Happy Super Science Saturday.
What's up?
What was that? It's like the Karate Kid. Hey, what's up? Like Kean says, it's Christmas. Morning, Kate.
Christmas.
Yeah, well, it's not yet.
No, imagine it was.
Yeah.
We're not sitting here Christmas Day.
I don't know. Well, we'll just be here by ourselves, like, hello.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas to me.
It's very nearly Christmas.
It is very nearly
Yeah.
Christmas, and that's what the theme of our Super Science Saturdays are going to be. Making stuff for Christmas, making toys for Christmas, getting ready for Christmas.
Christmas science.
Yeah.
Science of Christmas.
Yeah.
How many ways can we get like science of Christmas science?
There are mucho. Good morning, Ursula. Happy
Morning.
Super Science Saturday to you. What's up, Eagle Eye? Glad you're all joining us. Big shout out to everyone who is joining us here on this rather frosty Saturday morning.
It's a chilly one.
It's a chilly one, yeah.
But that's
Days are getting
kind
colder.
of what you want, like leading up to Christmas. You know, you like it to be like nice and cold and frosty and stuff. Like, really
I don't know how those people go to like Australia for Christmas and they're like on the beach and
barbecue on the beach, like
cocktail. They're like, it's Christmas. You're like, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
You gotta throw an ice bucket challenge at them, like freezing. It's meant to be freezing. It's Christmas. It's freezing. I love it.
Is that how you start every Christmas morning?
Every Christmas, just ice bucket. Morning, how's it going?
Ready to go, ready for Christmas.
So the theme of today's Super Science Saturday is using science to decorate.
Yes.
So to help you decorate. Because we've looked at what kind of science was behind some of our favourite toys.
We did that, yeah.
We've used science to make our own decorations.
Yes, so we did science-themed decorations, kind of. So now it's decorating using science.
Yes.
Similar, but different.
Yes, because obviously science makes all of our lives a lot easier. We use it every day. Science technology powers everything we do. So of course, understanding science and technology and using it can help you. And we're going to use it today to help us decorate.
Yes.
Do you like decorating?
I love decorating. Yeah. I
Yeah.
started it during the week. I go a bit overboard with the fairy lights. I'm not
Lots
gonna
of
lie.
fairy lights.
Oh man, they're everywhere. You
Really?
can
I don't-
probably see our house from space.
Yeah.
There's so many
Just
of them.
planes landing.
Yeah, I'm like,
what is that?
Fairy lights in every room in the house. I love it. I'm a big fan.
A big hi from Glenn Og and Saul as well.
Hi.
Good happy Saturday morning to you guys. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about decorating. Like I kind of sometimes you get all of it down. It's always rammed into the box.
Oh, because last year
you just like forget about it. Just ram it in. The tree's broken. The baubles are in bits, and you're just like, where are these even things gonna go? All the sticky things stuck together. Like it's just it's a nightmare to
And then there's the whole
start.
thing of the lights being tangled.
Lights being tangled, they suddenly don't work, you're out of batteries.
Yeah.
You know, the start can be a little bit kind of like,
Okay. Well, once you've got everything set and ready to go, then it's I like it.
Do you know that episode on The Simpsons where
Here we go.
I think Simpsons, where one of Homer's inventions is to help women put on makeup.
Oh, and it's the gun that you shoot in the face.
That's more what I'm thinking, because these are processes that take time to do, and it wouldn't be so great if you just load all the makeup in and just
and it's just Christmas on the wall.
and you're ready to go. Yeah, that's more
So
my thinking.
You want to pop up Christmas.
I want to
Because last week you didn't like the pop up trees that were like decorated.
No,
ready to go.
you don't like them. But the tree's fine. You can get your tree, you put it in the corner.
Do you know actually?
It's
Do you
all
know what
there.
this made me think of? You know the episode of Mr. Bean.
I do, definitely
where
do.
he's gonna paint his room and he puts
That was it. That's
and he puts the firework into the tin of paint and it's like covers things he doesn't want to be covered in newspaper. And then, but your man comes in the hat.
Oh, what an episode! I think that's kind of driven my life in that direction. I think that's inspiring.
We're not putting fireworks in any paint cans here today.
Declan wants to decorate Ali with a glitter bomb. Oh, glitter, we don't. Oh, glitter.
Can we give you?
God,
can you
Lord,
grow
glitter.
a beard
No
for
glitter.
Christmas? And can you get a glitter beard?
You get a beard for Christmas? You're talking about like 12 days.
I don't know how beards work.
I'll just concentrate. We just
work really hard to just squeeze it out. I don't know how beards work. All I know is in the Santa Claus, like he shaved and he grew a beard like that.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, he probably eats a lot of broccoli. I'd say so.
You eat broccoli too?
I eat a lot of broccoli. I know. Yeah, I like
Sweet.
broccoli.
Okay, so Mark will have a glitter beard in like 2 weeks' time.
Evie Bike Dude, simpler solution. Actually, that's a great point. Simpler solutions are going to be a theme of today's episode as well, because we're kind of taking inspiration from Occam's razor. So this is kind of
razor.
Yeah. What a segue from beard. Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. It says basically that the simplest solution is almost always the best. Now that's grand.
Yeah.
but it's not necessarily the funniest.
It's not the most fun. Yeah. You want to mix it up a little bit.
We're going to go for what is necessarily the funniest solution. Might not be the simplest. You'll find out it's clearly not, but it's definitely funnier. So that's what we're going. So we'll change it. It'll be like Mark and Ali's razor. That's what we'll call it. That's not that kind of razor.
I don't know how to shave a face.
It's razor. Mark and Ali's razor.
Isn't that razor also?
Yes, you pronounce your Greek though. Razor.
Oh, razor. Sorry. I didn't take Greek in school.
Turn the sweet cannon into the bauble cannon. Eagle eye. You are getting one step ahead of yourself and us.
Were you sneaking into our show
did you see our rehearsals? I think it's someone. There's a
camera over there.
There's the bug. You've got us bugged, Eagle Eye. You've bugged us. So we'll get to that later. We're going to use science to help us decorate. As you can see, we've done a lot of decorating.
We got started. But, we did this by hand. It took some time.
Yeah.
So we were thinking, what other ways could we decorate, make it maybe a bit faster?
Definitely faster. That's what I'm thinking.
Efficient is questionable. But most importantly, a bit more fun.
Definitely. Have you guys put up your decorations? I assume most people have.
We're getting our tree today.
Today?
Yeah.
So have you decorations up?
Decorations are up
before the tree.
Yeah, just because the weather was really bad this week, so I just wanted to put up some decorations.
That's fair. Have you guys at home, have you decorated yet? Let us know if you have put your decorations up. We've put some of them up, but we've got more. As you can see, our tree is a little bit bare.
We put the bows up on it, and that's kind of all we got.
So we got lots more decorations here.
Yes.
Okay. So we got plenty of decorations. We got all this stuff going now. Like, this is what I'm talking about. I don't mind, the tree's cool, but you got so many kind of little bits to go on, and you got to put them there, and then you got to stand back and kind of go, is that colour kind of right?
And then there's that whole debate. Do you decorate the back of your tree?
Oh.
It's up against the wall. Do you decorate the back of your tree?
Do people not?
Some people don't.
Jeez, oh God.
And this baffled me. Some people don't. Yeah, so we do, but not to the extent that you decorate the front of the tree. But
Can somebody out there do some scientific analysis for us? Can you reach out to these people who don't decorate the back of their tree and see if there's any correlation in the amount of times they have to go to the dentist? I bet these people don't brush the back of their teeth. They only brush the front of their
shortcuts
teeth.
all over the place, basically.
Can we do some scientific analysis on that? See if there's any correlation there. People who don't decorate the back of their tree and tooth decay.
Correlation and causation, I would say.
Kate decorates the back of the tree. We knew you would, Kate. Stand up, lady
well done,
like
Kate.
yourself.
Oh, Declan's got the Lego Christmas Village out.
Yeah, Ursula says elf surveillance.
So Eli 18's won the elves and he's watching, like the elf on the shelf.
Oh yeah.
Do you do an elf on the shelf?
No. In fact, I've never heard of that. I'm still not sure I understand it. Eva says scientific analysis of Christmas trees could result in Christmas chemistry. Chemistry.
We got it. Good job, Eva. Okay, let's start decorating.
Okay. So we got here. What? Right. We got. Let's stick the stuff on the tree. We got it. Right. But we're gonna do this. We're going to supersize this a bit. Let's make this a bit easier. Because, like, there's a lot of little things. So we decided, why don't we make a giant catapult? We'll make a huge catapult that will just fling all the decorations at the tree. So it's pretty cool. We're going to show you how to make your own very soon later as well. But this is just a big massive one that we've made. Ooh, coming right at you. Okay, so we're now we got to see. We gotta do our.
Check the wind resistance.
Yeah. Okay, do the angles. Okay, alright. Okay, I think.
Do you want to go first?
There, we got it. Oh, it's alright. Okay, load it in.
Load the bauble.
Okay, let's get our decorations on the tree. So now we've pulled it back. It's stored energy. So we got potential energy stored in it. We're going to release that. It's going to convert into kinetic energy, the energy of movement. And so close.
Very close. Okay. I'm going to make some adjustments before I go.
Make some adjustments. So that one went kind of bit to there. So let's go there.
Way a little.
And I'd say store more potential energy in that. Watch your face.
Watch your face.
Watch your face.
Okay.
All right, and launch. Oh! So close! Oh, that was close.
Okay,
go again. You got it. Okay.
It hit it.
Yeah, it hit it. Okay. Christmas time!
Will it stick?
Oh, so close. Let's do one more.
Okay.
Because we're so close there. Okay, I'm gonna get the other one as well. Let's just put them both in and see what happens.
Both of them. Okay, you ready?
Okay, yeah. And let's just throw all our decorations in at once. Okay.
So you can see there may be like an uneven distribution of decorations, but it's certainly more fun.
So this way, instead of placing them on at one at a time, we're going to see
one of them's got a stick.
Yeah. Just fling them all at the tree and fire. Oh, too much
weight.
Load a drum in. Load a drum. Okay. Here we go. Oh, yes, we got one on. Okay, and it's the back of the tree.
You decorated the back.
Okay.
And
and launch. Okay, close.
Bounced off it. Okay, I'm gonna put a present on it.
Put a present in.
Oh, or under the tree.
Or under the tree. Yes, yeah, good point.
Too light.
Oh, these are very light.
They are very light.
Yeah, stick another one in.
Pine cone in there too.
Oh, pine cone. Good lord. Oh. What else we got?
Obviously, you guys probably have a much larger tree than we do, so you have a larger target to try and
These are very small, aren't they?
Hang on, yeah. Right. Oh.
Where are the baubles?
Where are the baubles?
Oh, I got one here.
I got a drum.
I got one here.
Oh, I got a ball on the over truck.
Okay.
You hit me in the face.
Yeah, you nearly took your face off.
Took my face off.
Not like face off. We're destroying the wall. Oh. We got one more present. These are very light though.
Hang on, get to get another present and sweeten there. That's gonna do nothing.
And
Yay!
we're decorating for Christmas. Now that's a pretty massive one, but we're going to show you how to make a much smaller one as well, using things that you can find at home. Even though this uses things you can find at home as well, but we're going to make a mini one that's pretty fun as well.
Yeah. So your mini one's going to look a little something like this, and you can use it to launch things. What you're going to need is you're going to need some lollipop sticks. We've got lots of different coloured ones here. So you're going to need about 7. 6 or 7.
Okay.
So would you like to pick your colours there?
Yes, indeed. Got him.
Nice array.
Yeah,
okay.
thank you.
So you're going to make a stack of about 5 or 6, or as many as you like, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go with 6, I think.
Okay.
Another pink one. So make a stack of 6 lollipop sticks, and then get an elastic band, and you're going to attach them all together using your elastic band on one end, like
so.
That. Okay. Now, don't put an elastic band on the other end just yet.
Not yet.
What you're going to do is you're going to grab another lollipop stick and slot it in between 2 of your outer lollipop sticks, like that. So you got one lollipop stick, your lollipop stick going the opposite direction, and then your other lollipop sticks. And once you've got that one secured in place, you can add another elastic band on the end.
Bite out of this one.
Got hungry.
Yeah.
Maybe we've got termites.
Yeah. Oh no.
Imagine. Okay, so it should look something like this then. Alrighty. Now the other thing you're going to need is a plastic spoon. We've got these compostable disposable spoons. You can get them in like Tesco and stuff now, the disposable compostable
great idea.
ones, which is really cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to attach the handle end of your spoon to that single stick that's sticking out. So put your spoon on the opposite end, so you'll have one lollipop stick going the opposite direction, the rest of your lollipop sticks, and then your spoon on top like that. And then secure that with another elastic band.
Okay. This seems like the tricky bit.
Yeah, this one you might need some help. You might get someone to hold it for you while you wrap the elastic band around. Hi Elaine, how are you? Hi Sophia. Ooh, everyone's here. Kate, you decorated the floor. Sometimes the floor gets neglected, you know? You gotta make sure the floor gets decorated.
You gotta decorate the floor too. Okay.
It's like one of those tree skirts that you can have, you know?
A what?
A tree skirt. Skirt that goes like around the tree to decorate the floor. Or like a train set that goes around the bottom of the train. They're cool. Sets. Yeah. So your catapult should look a little something like this.
Yeah. Okay. That was super quick and really easy to make as well.
Yeah. And then you load it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got these little craft pom-pom things that we're going to use, that we're going to launch ours with.
I'm going to call this one the cookie launcher.
Oh, the cookie launcher.
Yes, and I'd like a cookie, Ali.
Oh, would you?
Yeah. Just launch this way, face-wise. Hairy cookies.
Yeah, they're not edible. But you could launch sweets like little M&Ms or something and try and catch it, or Maltesers, like make a game out of it. That'd be fun. Or you could make like a shooting range and have like cups you got to get them into, or I'm not going to catch that in my mouth.
Well, we're gonna find out, aren't we? Oh.
Well done. That worked great.
That worked great. Oh, it's broken in half.
So it can take a little bit of adjustment to get the angles just right and stuff, but have a play around with it and see what kind of weight that you can launch with your...
In the mouth.
I'm not putting it in my mouth.
We did find them on the floor, but... Oh, so close.
Very close. Very close. So have a go making your own catapult, and you could launch tiny Christmas decorations or sweets, or little pom-poms like we're doing. And that could be a fun game for Christmas Day.
That'd be really cool. Yeah, what a cool fun game.
You could have like a target. You can make a target, and you see if you get it to the center, you get more points than if you get on the outer edge.
Now, Ali, now that our tree is decorated,
yes,
we
having fun.
It's missing the angel. We got to put the angel on top of the tree.
Sorry, I'm just having fun.
So.
With this.
Oh, imagine that went in.
No one can see the cup anyway.
No. So we gotta put. Where's we have our angel in the box. Okay, so of course again this is our science angel. So here we have it here. So this is our angel with a crown on top.
Isn't she beautiful?
Isn't she beautiful?
Okay, I'm gonna get the tree down.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and who wants to just place it on the tree? How boring. So let's find a way to launch the angel at the tree.
Well,
so
angels can fly, so like it makes sense.
Luckily, Ali, I brought my rocket launcher with me.
Classic.
So let's get that in.
Okay.
So this is the Angel Launcher 3000.
Some of you might recognize it from the Halloween show.
So if you have one of these lying around at home, this is what it's really useful for.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's so I'm gonna load in the angel. So I'm gonna get our angel, load her in there. So get it in. Now just like loading a cannon, gonna need here we go. Let's launch it down. Literally like launching a cannon. Okay. Let's get her down.
Lovely. So we're going to use science and the power of air to launch the angel onto the top of our tree. That's the plan.
Okay.
Okay,
now I've got to do the calculations. Okay, all right. So I'm going to move it back a little bit.
Yeah, I know a bit of a challenge. Like.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Gonna load her up, gonna fill the cannon with trapped air. Then I'm gonna release that trapped air and it's gonna shoot the angel at the tree. Okay. Okay, ready? Here we go. Success?
You knocked more decorations off the tree than we got on the tree earlier.
Like we said, this is not the simplest solution, but it's definitely funnier.
It's also definitely not the most efficient.
No. Let's get. Yes, I have another angel, a backup angel.
Okay, I'm just gonna pick up all the.
Here we go.
The decorations.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Gonna load the angel.
Angel number 2.
Into said cannon.
Okay.
Okay.
Loading the angel. Okay, that should do her.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Filling it up with air again, using the power of compressed air. Okay. So let's see. This time, gonna make some calculations. Okay. Let's see where we are. Okay, I think we're ready.
Okay.
Right? Decorating Christmas using science.
This poor tree is having an awful time.
Isn't
it beautiful?
Doesn't it look wonderful?
Wow, let's put it right here in the center.
So there you go. There's
a
novel way of putting your angel on top of the tree.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, it is. Doesn't it look great?
Wow. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, so I think we're looking pretty good here.
Yeah,
I think
the set looks great.
It's pretty solid. We're missing what else we got in here?
We've got lots of tinsel.
Got lots of tinsel. Okay, so this is one thing. These can be tricky to put up as well, can't they? Because like some people use tinsel. Some people don't like tinsel.
Yeah.
Declan, it might work with tinsel as well. Let's
put tinsel in the show today.
Yeah. Okay, so let's Okay, let's stick up some tinsel.
Okay.
And let's
Okay.
so let's okay.
I'm gonna put.
Already taking too long. Over the DeLorean.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we gotta enlist the help of our old friend Science
Yeah, that
again.
definitely. I didn't have fun doing
No,
that.
that wasn't any fun. Bring that launcher back in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's use more compressed air.
Okay, so let's fill it up with tinsel.
Okay.
Let's load that in there. Okay.
Alrighty.
Then I think this might be a bit powerful, so I'll move it back a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Point it at the set.
Pointed at the set. Okay.
It's gonna only end well.
Yes. It's decorating using science.
Okay. I'm gonna leave a little bit sticking out the bottom.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm
Tinsel's
gonna move back
loaded.
a little bit. Okay, moving it back a little bit.
Okay.
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 Right. Gonna power it up again.
Hopefully not break anything.
Okay. Happy Christmas! Woo!
There, he took out the tree again!
Load more! Load more!
More tinsel!
We got one string left. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
That's
Loading it up.
Loading it up.
Okay, tinsel's in position.
Okay. And it's Christmas time! No!
Perfect.
Perfect!
But you know, like, we're not getting like an even spread of tinsel. It's
That's
kind
true.
of all accumulating in this one central point. So I think we could be even more efficient.
Yeah, I think let's push our understanding here of what science principle we can use
Okay.
now. So tinsel's pretty cool, and like decorating, sticking lots of kind of confetti and things.
Yeah.
They're fun things to do, and we could we've got some cool more Christmas decorations. We got Christmas cracker jokes.
Yeah.
That's pretty
on
cool.
toilet paper.
On toilet paper. Very handy. You tell a joke, you blow your nose. It's perfect.
What you get if you cross a snowman and a shark?
What? I don't know.
Frostbite.
Have you guys got any favorite Christmas?
Oh, yeah,
Love
yeah.
Christmas cracker jokes.
What's Santa's favorite pizza?
Elf pizza,
One that's
Santa pizza, reindeer
No.
pizza.
one that's deep pan, crisp and even. Deep pan, like a deep pan pizza, crisp and even.
What? How's that funny?
How is that funny? Tell us your favorite Christmas cracker jokes, because the toilet paper ones are lacking.
Yeah, but it gives us an idea though, because if you ever get a roll of toilet paper, so go grab a piece of toilet paper like this, all right, and you have the plies on the top, and check this out, okay? So just blow over the top of it, and what do you notice?
It flies upwards.
Yeah, so even though we're blowing over the top, you see that the toilet paper rises up, and that's due to Bernoulli's principle that says that faster moving air has got lower pressure. So the fast moving air from our mouths blows over the toilet paper, low air pressure here, higher air pressure here. Things move from high pressure to low pressure,
Yeah.
so it moves
Upwards.
it up. So Ali, I think we can use that principle to help decorate in a new fun way next.
How'd you find Will Smith in the snow? Look for Fresh Prince. Well done, Eagle Eye 18.
Excellent, Eagle Eye.
Well
That's
done,
really cool.
well
Did you
done.
find that in a Christmas cracker? That's way too
That's
cool.
yeah.
That's really good.
What you get across Santa with a duck? A Christmas,
Christmas
quacker.
They're better though.
Christmas quacker joke.
Yeah, Christmas quacker joke. That's what he
go
said. That
on.
was the whole joke.
Oh, I'll let you take this
Oh
one.
yes. Aoife, I love the way Aoife comes up with physicsy jokes. So Aoife says, "What's the most Christmassy bit of physics?" The Higgs bo ho ho ho's. That's really good. I've never heard that
Oh,
before.
what you get if you eat Christmas decorations?
Sick.
Tinselitis.
Oh, tinselitis.
We made that joke in our Christmas show
Yeah,
last year, I
yeah,
think.
because you get tinselitis all the time.
I do.
Patient zero
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here. Okay, so Ali, I've got. Let me see if what we can find in the lab here, because I think we can use the Bernoulli principle
Okay.
to help us decorate at super speed.
Okay,
so
okay, let's do
me
it.
see what I
Let's
got.
do it.
Okay. Dun 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 dun! The Christmas Decorator 4000.
Wow.
You may recognize this as a leaf blower with a paint roller stuck on the end
Yeah,
of it.
everyone was doing a bit of DIY during lockdown,
Yeah,
so everyone's
yeah.
got paint rollers lying around.
So, Ali, what we're going to do is let's load the toilet paper onto the launcher, okay? And then we'll see what happens, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to launch it on... There we go. Okay. So let's see if this helps speed things up a little bit.
Okay.
Now, Ali, I think this is going to be potentially a little bit messy.
Classic.
Okay.
Classic.
All right. So I'm gonna move backwards a little bit. Okay. Let's see how we can get. Okay. Ready to decorate for Christmas?
Yeah, always, always.
Okay.
Using Bernoulli's principle and science to decorate. That was certainly quicker.
Yes.
And the set is complete. Yay!
What an easier way that was.
Far more efficient. That was great.
Far more efficient. Here we go.
Don't you think the set looks great, everyone?
Isn't it wonderful?
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Perfect. What an awesome way to decorate. We want to know if you guys use science to decorate at home. You definitely should. It's so much fun. It's more and more fun. Definitely try it out as well. If you do, send in some pictures and videos to the Exploring social media.
Or if you've got any like science themed decorations, love to see some of them. If you got some like sciencey baubles on your tree, that'd be really cool.
That's a great idea. So let us know if you have any of those too. Ali, I think we have to tell everybody about a cool science story from this week as well. Cool. Because SpaceX were at it again.
Always at it.
And Eagle Eye noted earlier that did we see the SN8 launch? We did, and we're going to show it for those who haven't seen it now. It was absolutely awesome. It took place last Wednesday?
Wednesday, yeah.
Okay, so check this out. Very, very cool. Here it is coming in for landing. So this is a prototype of the spaceship that SpaceX are going to use to send people and supplies to Mars. And this is a prototype, and they're practicing how it would land on the surface. And it exploded. Bam!
Look at that! Oh my lord!
Absolute explosion, but it's classed as a successful ascent. Because they learned so much from it. That's where they collected all the data, because SpaceX really pushed their understanding, and they're really great because they embrace failure, and they know that.
That's what's really important about science, is like your experiments are not going to work every time, but you learn from the failures and why it didn't work, and then you can make adjustments. It's really cool the way that they're actually planning on landing these. They basically modeled it off skydivers.
Lovely.
So have you ever been skydiving?
No,
me neither. So when you're skydiving, you come down like not scary enough.
No, you'd be fine, like. Yeah.
Right. We haven't done it for very different reasons. So when skydivers are coming down, they come down like belly first, and then they straighten up.
Then they straighten up.
So that's the idea behind the rocket, that the rocket's going to kind of come down on its side and then use its thrusters to straighten itself and come down.
Have you ever seen high divers? High divers would generally do the same thing, those crazy high divers. I think death diving is, I don't know what the name of the sport is as well. But they literally launch themselves and they'll go sideways, and then at the last minute they straighten up and go down into the water.
Really cool. So that's what they are working off. So again, people, taking their understanding of different aspects of the world and turning it into something else. So we're learning from the world around us.
And the only way you can learn is by trying it out and making failures and collecting all the data, learning from that failure, learn how to do it better next time. So again, SpaceX leading the way.
Yeah, fair play to them. Fair play. Cool. So that was a really cool thing.
We need to do last week's solution to last week's challenge. This week's solution to last week's challenge. Yes. The solution to last week's challenge.
So last week, we made some Christmas decorations, our little convection spinners that involved fire. So I challenged you to come up with a way of harnessing CO2 to blow out your candles. You couldn't just, or to extinguish your candles. You couldn't just blow out your candle. That was cheating. We want to use CO2 in a different way. We got some great input here from Evie Bike Dude. It says as well, so for coming in on one side means that the heat shielding is only needed on one side. So it makes it cheaper as well. That's really, really cool. And SpaceX making space launch a lot cheaper as well. So to make CO2 here, we are going to use our favorite chemical reaction between baking soda and our real favorite chemical, vinegar. So as we've talked about before on this show, when you mix baking soda and vinegar together, they produce carbon dioxide gas. Now, carbon dioxide gas is heavier than the air around us, which means when it's produced, it's staying trapped inside this beaker. So what you can do then is you can pour out the heavy CO2 and extinguish your flames.
Check that out. Again, that looked like magic, but of course, again, it's not.
It's just science. Just science. So
Ooh,
using carbon
smells like
dioxide.
birthdays.
Ooh, smells like. So using carbon dioxide gas is produced mixing vinegar and baking soda together to extinguish your
Yeah.
flames.
What solutions did you guys come up with? Let us
Yeah.
know what you come up with to extinguish the candles. That was really, really fun. And then using two very popular ingredients here on Super Science
Yes,
Saturday.
that you will have at home.
Yes.
Realistically, vinegar the best smell.
It's not the best smell
it's
at
not.
all. Ali, we have another challenge for everyone this week
Yes,
as well, don't
do.
we?
So using those lollipop sticks that you'd use to make your catapult.
Yeah.
The challenge that I have for you for next week is to balance a lollipop stick on your finger. On your finger. Now, this way, there's no challenge doing it this way. No. We want you to figure out how to balance a lollipop stick vertically on your finger. Now, if you try it with just the lollipop stick, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You can use things you find around the house. I'm not going to limit you as to what you can use, but I want you to try and come up with a solution of how you can get a lollipop stick to balance vertically on your finger by next week.
All right, that is your challenge for next week. And again, if you try it out, let us know on the Explorium social media accounts. Ali, I think I'm going to do a little bit more decorating. I know everyone at home is going to probably, it's a nice weekend for decorating. Yeah. It's chilly outside. You can go around and just gather your decorations up, put on some nice music, put on some nice candles, maybe lower the lights a little bit, put on some
Christmas movies in the background.
Marvin Gaye, and just decorate the house with your Christmas decorations.
Lovely.
Yeah, it sounds like lovely. That's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to keep decorating here using science.
Obviously.
Of course. And we want to thank you all for joining us for Super Science Saturday and hope you have a lovely Saturday. I'm going to get ready for more decorating. Ali, I'm going to get this. This is one of my, I think, the fun things I think I liked about it. So I'm going to get this going in it. So hope you all enjoy decorating and using. Sophia just says just use blue tack. That ain't fun.
No.
We gotta use
balancing, not sticking.
Okay,
very important.
So we're gonna get decorating. Hope you have a lovely day decorating too. Have a lovely Super Science Saturday, and
Oh God!
oh good Lord! Oh, it's stuck! Don't you hate that one? The other way.
Happy Saturday, everyone!
Happy Saturday!
Bye!
In all the craziness, we almost forgot to go over to the tomfoolery of Professor Rob. In all the craziness. I can hear Rob screaming, because let's go over to Professor Rob.
And it was a hole-in-one, which was quite impressive. Oh, hello! Welcome back to segment 3, that's 3, of the tomfoolery of Professor Rob. Thank you to all our fans who've been sending in brilliant scientific and festive-related questions on the hashtag TTOPR on Twitter. Malcolm, can you please read out this week's question? On Twitter. Big blue bird. Search. Little magnifying glass. No, you go on to it. Okay, what's the first one? That's not a question, that's just saying they enjoy the show. Okay, I'll do it. So, sorry about that. A few technical issues, ghosts in the machine. Our first question this week comes from Michael, who says, how is it that Santa is able to get down my chimney every year? That's quite an interesting question, Michael. We are here in the illusions corridor in Explorium, and you might think it's some kind of optical illusion that such a, shall we call him, robust man is able to fit down such a tiny little hole. The answer isn't even magical. It's scientific. See, Santa, as quite a large gentleman, produces an enormous amount of body heat. And what do we know about heat? It causes metal to expand. So when the massive frame of this man goes onto your chimney, it all opens up and allows him to slide right back down. Now I know what you're thinking. Professor Rob, how does he get back up? Another scientific answer. You see, when he ingests the milk and biscuits that are left out for him, this causes something of a chemical reaction that shoots him right back up that chimney with his rather large sack of toys. Now I know what you're wondering. What are the best biscuits to put out for our holly jolly folk? Well, his favourites include chocolate hobnobs, cookies and fingers. Cadbury's fingers. Anyway, another great segment down, so I'll send you back to our festive hosts, Mark, the Herald Angels Sing, and Silent Night. Back to you.
The Professor Rob tomfoolery of Professor Rob.
What are they going to say?
Yeah, doesn't it look lovely?
Very festive. Someone did say it looks like snow, and they're not wrong. I think it looks like lovely snow.
Sure. Yeah, we're really, really close.
If you ever need to just blow your nose, you're just
Yeah.
prepared and ready to go.
Isn't that the best Christmas decorations where you can tear them off and blow your nose? Guys, thank you all so much for joining us here on Super Science Saturday. Hope you have a lovely Saturday and use science to decorate your house.
See you next week.
See ya.
Bye.